Chum, chum, chum. Tasty times for everyone. Grab a smile, it's so much fun. Yummy, chummy TV's begun.
Hi, friends, let's count from 1 to 10 today.
I'm gonna eat one cupcake on a plate. So sweet and small, it looks just great. 2 cherries on a cupcake top. Can you count them? Don't you stop. 3 sprinkles land from up so high, falling down like stars from the sky. 4 jelly beans all in a row. Count them fast, then count them slow. 5 little candles burning bright. One by one they shine with light. 6 gumdrops bouncing on the tray. They bounce around and run away. 7 lollipops lined up neat. Can you count them with your feet? 8 marshmallows soft and round. They roll and giggle on the ground. 9 balloons go floating high, waving gently in the sky. 10 cupcakes dance and spin around. The sweetest party can be found. We counted all from 1 to 10. Now let's count backwards once again. 10 cupcakes spin and twirl away. Let's count back, hip, hip, hooray. 9 balloons drift down so slow. Watch them gently as they go. 8 marshmallows roll and slide. They bounce and tumble side to side to side. 7 lollipops start to sway. Wiggle, waggle, then away. 6 gumdrops leap now, just a few. Count them as they say peekaboo. 5 candles flicker soft and low. One by one they lose their glow. 4 jelly beans jump out of line. Now we're back to only 9. 3 sprinkles fall then disappear. What comes next is very near. 2 cherries slide right off the top. They spin and tumble, pop, pop, pop. 1 sweet cupcake left alone. We counted back, now home we go. Thanks friends for watching. See you back